Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving deep into the world of CHash and uncovering some powerful memory tricks that can seriously level up your code. Whether you're building high-performance applications or just want to write cleaner, more efficient code, these tips are for you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about something you probably use every day: strings. Did you know that simple string concatenation using the plus operator can be a secret memory hog? Every time you do a plus B, the system creates a brand new string in memory. In a loop, this adds up fast. The solution? Use String Builder. It's designed specifically for building strings efficiently without creating all that extra garbage. So next time you're building a string piece by piece, reach for String Builder. Your application's memory will thank you. Next, let's look at value types versus reference types. This is fundamental, but its memory implications are huge. Structs are value types, and classes are reference types. When should you use a good rule of thumb is for small, data-centric objects that are immutable, like a point with x and y coordinates. Using structs for these small objects can avoid the overhead of heap allocation and garbage collection, keeping your memory usage lean. But be careful. Large structs can be costly to copy, so use them wisely. Now, for a more modern CHash feature, span and memory, these are game changers for performance. Think of span as a window or a slice into an existing block of memory, like an array, a string, or even unmanaged memory. The magic is that it lets you work with that slice without allocating any new memory. This is incredibly powerful when you're parsing data or processing large files. You can slice and dice your data all day long without triggering the garbage collector. If you're not using span yet, you're missing out on a massive performance boost. Another powerful tool in our memory-saving toolkit is object pooling. Creating and destroying objects, especially complex ones, can be expensive. Think about bullets in a game or database connections in a web app. Instead of creating a new one every time you need it and then throwing it away, why not reuse them? An object pool is like a rental service for your objects. You rent one when you need it and return it when you're done. This dramatically reduces memory churn and pressure on the garbage collector, leading to smoother performance. You can write your own simple pool or use libraries that have them built in. Finally, let's talk about closing the loop with iDisposable and the using statement. When you're working with resources like file streams, network connections, or database connections, it's crucial to release them properly. If you don't, you'll create memory leaks. The using statement is your best friend here. It guarantees that the dispose method is called on your object as soon as you're done with it, even if an exception occurs. It's a simple, clean, and reliable way to manage unmanaged resources and prevent your application from slowly leaking memory over time. Always wrap your disposable objects in a using block, and that's a wrap. 5 CHash memory tricks that can make a real difference in your applications. From String Builder to span and object pooling to proper resource management, these techniques are essential for any serious CHash developer. Try them out in your next project and see the performance gains for yourself. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments which trick you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.